If you want to take a long screenshot on a Realme GT 8 Pro, the first thing that you can do is simply open a website or an app where we can scroll, like for example the Google app where we can keep scrolling here. And then we have two options. You can, for example, take a full screenshot by any means you know. So for example, you can swipe 3 fingers down like this, and then over here we can tap on scroll. And now as you can see, we are capturing the long screenshot. We can also use the auto scroll option over here in order to let the phone do that for us. And then we can tap on done in order to save the wallpaper. Of course, we can tap over here in order to open it, edit it, and so on and so forth. But the second method is to use 3 fingers gesture again, but this time we can press and hold with 3 fingers and then scroll all the way down over here once you have that overlay enabled. So as you can see, now we have this overlay and we swipe all the way down. And we can capture a scrolling screenshot like this as well. There's actually one more way. If we go to the control center or quick settings, you should be able to find the screenshot button, so we can tap on the screenshot text. There we go, in order to find the scrolling screenshot option. And this method works too. In case the 3-finger press and hold and then swipe down method doesn't work for you, you can go to settings and scroll down in here in order to go to accessibility and convenience, then go to screenshot and make sure that this option 3-finger touch and hold is enabled in here. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe.